In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Me at Walmart app on your iPhone, a handy tool specifically designed for Walmart employees. Whether you're new to this app or just looking for guidance on getting it installed, I'll walk you through the steps in a way that's easy to follow. Even though I'll be showing this tutorial on a PC, I'll ensure that everything is tailored for your iPhone experience. First, you'll want to navigate to the App Store, which is the digital distribution platform developed and maintained by Apple for its iOS. To find this, tap on the blue app icon with a stylized white A. Once inside, you'll see a search tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap there, and in the search bar at the top, type Me at Walmart. Now let the App Store do its magic and display the relevant results for you. The app you're looking for should show up in the results, but another way you can directly access it is by using Safari or any web browser on your device. Simply go to the URL bar and enter https://apps.apple.com/us/app. My Walmart/ID voucher prosi 989841 key. This link will take you directly to the Me at Walmart app page in the App Store, where you can proceed to install the app. Now, once you're on the app page, you'll see a cloud icon or the word Get button. Tap on it to begin the download process. If necessary, confirm the download with your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID, depending on the security settings on your device. This ensures that only you can download new apps onto your iPhone. The app should begin downloading, and the icon will appear on your home screen with a progress bar indicating how much time remains in the download. Once the app has downloaded completely, tap on it to open. You may need to grant permissions for the app to send you notifications or access other features of your phone. Follow the prompts presented, and be sure to read each one to understand what permissions are necessary for the app to function smoothly. Remember, this app will help keep track of your schedules, company news, and other resources essential for your work at Walmart. It's a powerful resource to have on the go, and having it right on your iPhone makes it accessible wherever you are. If you encounter any issues during installation, ensure your iOS is up to date, since app compatibility can sometimes rely on the most current software version. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Me at Walmart app on your iPhone. Enjoy the seamless integration of work life and mobile convenience right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy working at Walmart.